नमस्कार, मी प्राध्यापक राजाराम महादेव परब, फाउंडर आणि चेअरमन परफेक्ट अकॅडमी कुडाळ, कोकणातील नंबर 1 कोचिंग इन्स्टिट्यूट फॉर IIT, JEE, नीट, MSCET आणि NDA. मित्रांनो, परफेक्ट अकॅडमी नेहमीच काहीतरी वेगवेगळे उपक्रम विद्यार्थ्यांच्या सर्वांगीण विकासासाठी राबवण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असते. आज आपण अशाच एका विशेष मालिकेची सुरुवात करणार आहोत. आजपासून भारतातील वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रातील दिग्गज व्यक्ती आपणा सर्वांच्या भेटीसाठी येणार आहेत. ते आपल्याला आपल्या आपल्या क्षेत्रातील अनुभव सांगणार आहेत. त्या क्षेत्रापर्यंत आपण कसे जाऊ शकता याबद्दलचं ते तुम्हाला मार्गदर्शन करणार आहेत. म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय, तर भविष्यामध्ये जर तुम्हाला शास्त्रज्ञ व्हायचं असेल, डॉक्टर व्हायचं असेल, इंजिनियर व्हायचं असेल, मोठा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट व्हायचं असेल किंवा कुठल्याही फील्डमध्ये जर तुम्हाला एक्सेल करायचं असेल, प्रगती करायची असेल, तर तुम्ही ज्यांना रोल मॉडेल मानू शकता अशा व्यक्ती आजपासून आपल्या भेटीला येणार आहेत. आजच्या आपल्या या मालिकेच्या पहिल्या भागात आपलं सौभाग्य आहे की आपल्याला भेटणार आहेत डॉक्टर TPS, कॉमनली नोन ॲज डॉक्टर TPS, म्हणजेच डॉक्टर P. शशिकुमार. हे आपल्याला भेटायला आज येणार आहेत. डॉक्टर P. शशिकुमार यांच्याबद्दल सांगावं तेवढंच थोडंच आहे. तुम्ही जस्ट गुगलवर जाऊन डॉक्टर TPS एवढं जरी सर्च केलं तरी गुगल तुम्हाला भरभरून माहिती देतच राहील आणि आपण ते वाचता वाचता थकून जाऊ. मूळचे केरळचे, सुरुवातीला शैक्षणिक अडथळ्यांमधनं जाऊन नंतर BSc स्वतःचा अभ्यास एका निश्चयाने करणारे, मग MSc मॅथमॅटिक्स, मग PhD आणि त्यानंतर त्यांचा इस्रोपर्यंतचा प्रवास. इस्रोमध्ये 20 वर्ष भारतासाठी सेवा दिल्यानंतर विविध क्षेत्रामध्ये त्यांनी मिळवलेलं नाव आणि अशा एका दिग्गजाबरोबर आपण आज एका विशिष्ट विषयात संदर्भात बोलणार आहोत. ते म्हणजे की इस्रोमध्ये तुम्ही एंट्री कशी करू शकता. सो हाऊ टू जॉईन इस्रो या विषयाबद्दल आपल्याला मार्गदर्शन करण्यासाठी येत आहेत डॉक्टर P. शशिकुमार, लाईव्ह फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, आणि परफेक्ट अकॅडमीचे विद्यार्थी आणि शिक्षक यांच्याशी इंटरॅक्शन करणार आहेत. तर आपल्याला नक्कीच हा कार्यक्रम कसा वाटला हे कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये सांगा आणि अशा नवनवीन उपक्रमांसाठी आपला प्रतिसाद निश्चितच परफेक्ट अकॅडमीला द्या. आमच्या करिअर काउन्सिलरला संपर्क साधा आणि परफेक्ट अकॅडमीच्या मोफत करिअर काउन्सिलिंगचा फायदा घ्या. विशेषतः 10वीतून 11वीत जाणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी आणि 11वीतून 12वीत जाणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी आम्ही मोफत करिअर काउन्सिलिंग करत असतो. तर त्याचाच भाग म्हणून आपण ही मालिका आज सुरू करत आहोत. धन्यवाद.
I failed in all examination except my mother tongue Malayalam. 12th class also I got somewhere near 50 to 54%. But then I joined for BSc Mathematics. I studied in 3 colleges. I went from one college to another college, one course to another course. But by the time I finished my first year, again I failed in all subjects. Maths, physics, statistics, all these subjects I failed. But second year I decided I am going to study. Second year, third year I studied. I studied from Calicut University. I became 5th rank in the university. I did my MSc Mathematics. I got 2nd rank in MSc Mathematics. I did it from Cochin University. But then I had interest. Just now I was telling about the rocket, you need fuel inside, right?
Yes.
So that study of fuel is called fluid mechanics. Heat transfer. How do heat can be transferred in fluid? Because petrol is a fluid and you cannot fill in the chamber of rocket, they don't fill petrol and then burst it. It is not a combustion engine like normal vehicle engines. They have, it is called porous. Porous means you have some solid and liquid together. That's a mixture of solid and liquid. So I had interest in studying all that. So I did my PhD in fluid mechanics. So from mathematics I jumped into physics. So when I was doing my PhD, I was doing in Bangalore. I went to Hong Kong for a conference. My neighboring seat person was Just now I was mentioning National Aeronautical Laboratory. If you are interested, you must look at Rodan Narasimha. He was one of the best aerospace scientists of India. I was sitting beside and asking a lot of questions. So we learned a lot of things by discussing with many people. But that time also I don't know whether I will join in Department of Space. But then we had one colleague who also joined from Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, BSSC. So he was telling space department is a big department. Then I thought I should also apply. So after my PhD, I came to know about space department. I know otherwise there is a department, but I never thought about joining there.
Okay.
We used to apply because after PhD we want to get a different job, apply in different places, go to different conferences, meet a lot of scientists to talk to them, understand. But then when the Department of Space advertisement came, I applied and got it. But that was nothing to do with that, what I studied from fluid mechanics. What I did was all satellite will take picture, you know, remote sensing satellites.
Yes.
It takes pictures on the ground. So we are supposed to look at, and for your information, my first pictures, all of them are analyzed in Thane, Pune area. You know, there is a great leader from Pune. When he was defense minister, you know who is that defense minister from Pune once upon a time? 1990s.
Sorry, sir. I don't
No,
remember.
you should know. Otherwise, I will tell your name to him. He will come and arrest you. Tell me who was the greatest defense minister we had, who is now active in politics in Mumbai. He is not ruling any position, but he is one of the senior most leader. His daughter is also into politics. Maharashtra means his name will come first, and he was a congressman.
His
Now he
daughter is
is
also
eh?
uh,
His house,
Gopinath Munde.
his house is in map number 47A by 10. I know the map number also, which place he belongs to, latitude, longitude. I know his school, I know his house, everything I have seen, not physically. From satellite I have seen. And I made a map of that and given to him. From satellite image. Not today everything is on Google, but I am telling when Google was not there in this world. 25, 30 years back. Tell me. His name starts with S. His second name starts with P.
Yes, it's Sharad Pawar, sir.
Sharad Pawar. You want this many clues to answer.
Sharad Pawar.
Have you heard earlier
Sharad
name
Pawar.
of Sharad Pawar?
Yes, yes, sir. Of course, I heard his name.
Yeah, he is from Thane, Pune area. I gave all the clue. Rich man,
Yeah.
great man. I used to meet him when he was defense minister. From Hyderabad, I will go and meet him in Delhi, give maps. So my job was not at all what I studied. Okay.
Okay.
But what is common for all these? Good logic. Now what I am talking to is politics, general knowledge, history, geography. Because geography I
Yes.
should know, then only I can tell you map number and all that, right? So
Yes.
how do I make map from satellite image without knowing the ground? So my subject of interest became geography. When I make Kargil war, I am making map and giving to defense. When LTT problem in Sri Lanka, I will give map there. So I must know why war is happening. So what is essential? What you study, what you are good at is not important. Arya's mother will make nice idli,
Yes. She
but
makes idli.
your chutney and sambar is not good. Only idli she can make. Will she be called as a good cook?
No.
So what is a good student?
Who has all the qualities
To study
balanced. Balanced qualities.
balanced. Everything you should know. What it? If you know mathematics, you know geography. Because geography is the earth projected onto a two-dimension. Three-dimension to two-dimension projection is geography. But your 10th class geography teacher will not tell you like this.
Yes.
But when a mathematician tells, geography becomes a projection. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So your higher studies will take you to look at how. So what I am today is not because what I studied. You may not be a good student, you did not study well, but do you have logic?
Yeah.
We read lot of poetry in every class from childhood, the nursery rhymes onwards. Okay?
Yes.
But do you really understand the meaning of every nursery rhyme which you learned in your life?
No.
But have you thought about it today? At this age, can you think about it?
Yeah.
That is the ability you need. If you have the thinking, that means you have interest in learning. That I have. So what do? I write poetry. I take classes. I do drama. I love your movie Cycle, beautiful movie, Maharashtrian movie. Have you seen that movie? Konkan side only. That movie was shot in Konkan.
Which movie,
2020
sir?
release. Cycle. What
Cycle.
idea?
Okay.
You don't see your own movies yet. Eh? What a beautiful movie. Cycle, Marathi film. 4th May it was released. I must have seen the day it was released itself. Huh? So you should have that quality of appreciating, seeing. It's a beautiful movie of two people who are stealing a cycle.
Okay, sir. I will surely watch it.
पंक्चर आहे चल काढ पटकन ही सायकल तुमच्याकडे कशी तरी मी तुला सांगतो अरे गोष्टीचा काय हो गोष्टीचा काय सगळं मीच सांगायचंय पण तुम्ही सांगा विठ्ठलराव त्यावेळी मी घरी नव्हतो
What you are doing? You are all students from Maharashtra. You have not seen this movie.
So I'll watch it if now you have recommended. So I'll watch it for sure.
Yeah. So, how do I understand Maharashtra when you speak? I may not be able to speak because I keep seeing a lot of movies.
Okay.
That's the latest movie which I have seen. Released in May, I have seen. Yeah. There are a lot of beautiful movies. Marathis people will make beautiful movies.
Yes. So I wanted to ask something.
अरे एक मिनिट विद्यार्थी
Yes, yes.
मित्रांनो, मी हे पण सांगू इच्छितो की सर साऊथ इंडियन आहेत. हिज मदर टंग इज मल्याळम अँड स्टील ही वॉचेस मराठी मूवी. सो तुम्ही सुद्धा मूवी बघून बरं काही शिकू शकता. बट ओनली थिंग इज यू शुड अंडरस्टँड विच आर दी मूवीज यू शुड वॉच अँड देर आर व्हेरी नाईस मूवीज एव्हरी इयर मॉलिवूड मेक्स. Being settled in Chennai, I watch different South Indian movies, and there are few Malayali movies which I really love, uh, including this year's Oscars entry.
If you have not seen movie Udhan, must see that movie. Do you know who made aircraft in India? Who invented aircraft? Tell me, Arya, what is your subject?
Sir, I am a PCM student.
So tell me who invented aircraft?
So just now, sir told. So
From where is he? He is a Maharashtrian. He has flown his flight first time in Chowpatty Beach. Which year? Okay, otherwise in your textbook, what do you learn?
In our textbook, in which class, sir?
Whichever class. In textbook, you learn that aircraft is invented by whom? Anybody? Aerospace engineering interest people are there, and then you don't know who invented aircraft. Who is that fellow who came first? Ankit. Who invented aircraft? People don't come on to TV or the video also, yeah.
So the first one to make an aircraft,
Yeah.
the Shivaji Talpade.
But in textbook, it is not written like that. I asked you in the textbook. What
No, in textbook, I don't
1903
remember. I
Wrong
think.
Brothers. 1903 Wrong Brothers. 8 years before that. That means 8 years before means 1895.
5.
1895, Dalpate has flown an aircraft in Chowpatty Beach. He was a paper reporter. There is a beautiful movie again. Look at aircraft Udhan. Beautiful movie. It talks about the bio story of that person who invented aircraft.
Okay.
They're all scientific movies. Every science student should see. Who is the best physics professor in the world, probably? Whose best physics lecture you have heard?
Best physics lecture. Sir, there are some very good physicists or who give lectures, but I heard a good lecture of Rajaram Parab Sullivan. Yes, sir.
Love for physics, beautiful class you will see. So I need not teach you simple pendulum. What I should do is I should send you to that person because internet is available. We are all in digital media. So digital media, you have to learn from different sources. And a person who learns from different sources should have a lot of questions because in YouTube you cannot ask questions. So when there are a lot of people who are teaching you, when somebody else comes, you should have a lot of questions. That is what is required. Now, okay, somebody else. You can come back to me, Arya, after some time.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Somebody else.
Sir
yeah.
Walter Levin. I think it's Sir Walter Levin.
Already answer is given. You were not listening. Yeah. Come on fast, somebody else. Don't waste time. I will not ask come on fast now. I will just quit if there are no questions. Don't even show face. I will put this into YouTube.
कॅमेरा ऑन करा सगळ्यांनी कॅमेरा ऑन करा
All are from different schools, right? So you must have a challenge. Oh, my school is great. Yeah, Shravani came.
Sir, how to get? So, is there any entrance exam?
How to?
Get into ISRO.
How to get into ISRO? You must have a BTech degree. Mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electronics, computer science. Computer science, many people will come. I was not a BTech, I was a mathematician. In our time, few mathematics, physics people used to come. One of the method is IAST. You should apply into IAST, perform well, you can get. Second method in ISRO is, you get a BTech, go to isro.gov.in. You will see a lot of advertisements every year. After BSc you join, you become a scientific assistant. After BTech or MSc or PhD you become a scientist. A scientific assistant to become a scientist, they may take 10-15 years. If you have higher education, higher level. Lower education, lower level. You can become a technical assistant. Like in a doctor has got a nurse or maybe a lab technician like that, right? Different cadre in medical science.
Yes.
Scientist position also, scientist is like a doctor say. So you have a lab assistant, technical assistant, small jobs also will be done by somebody else. So if you want to get into higher job, post graduation, PhD.
What should I expect
Repeat.
What should I do exactly after this?
After plus two, you can join for electronics, electrical, mechanical, but don't. IAST conducts entrance exam. IIT, if you can get into that, yes, that's one option which you have. We need chemical engineering. It depends on which center you want. Suppose you go for VSSC, they want a chemical engineer, mechanical engineers. You go to Ahmedabad, they want the camera people because they make camera. At a different center, they make different things. Suppose you go to national remote sensing, even agriculture people can become. Because if you have agriculture, they will take agriculture sample, how productivity can be increased, how satellite image looks like there. So different subjects. If you should be good in mathematics and statistics, good logical reasoning. You must be very good in immediate answering. Quick, that is what is important. Everybody knows mathematics, but quick, how quick you can do it. That is why most of the entrance examinations, you must be good in reading fast. That's essential. You can listen to, I gave a lecture in Mangalore, one of those schools. I think it's almost July end. How many years back? 8 years back. To young children I was talking. So you can see the response. Type Dr. TPS, that's my name. Don't forget my name.
Okay.
Shavani, don't forget my name.
Okay, sir.
DR for doctor. TPS, temperature pressure second. Top police service. TPS is top police service. Because I was in the defense department, police department of Prime Minister's office. Director General of Security, policing was job. Okay. Or teachers, parents, students, that is TPS. That's what I do today. So I did the temperature pressure second scientist job. I did a police job. Now what I'm doing is teachers, parents, students every day.
Oh,
So my name is Dr. TPS. Dr. TPS Mangalore. Then you will get. Now this video you want to see in my YouTube, Dr. TPS Konkan. Maybe next week, because every day I have many lectures. Next week I will edit everything and then put it together. Understood?
oh, yes.
So what you should learn to get a job, don't think about it. What you should do is, you can also get into IAS, Indian Administrative Service. How do you get into IAS? What is IAS? Indian Administrative Service. But I will not tell Indian Administrative Service. I'll say Inspire, Aspire, Success. Who can aspire? Only if you become immediate academic success. Now you must be a good student. So how do you get there? Look at Dr. TPS. Prelims handbook. Preliminary is the subject. First examination to get into IAS. Prelims examination. UPSC exam. Look at Dr. TPS UPSC. Then you will see I will give some lectures on how to join UPSC. So what is to be done is, don't look for one job. Why I am saying it? Don't look for one job. Yesterday I was talking to some scientist who joined in ISRO. She worked only 1 year. Immediately she left. Now she is vice president of a bank in Hyderabad. Why did she leave ISRO and went into bank? Because bank is paying more. You understood? She was in America for 2-3 years. If you join ISRO, nobody will send you to America. But bank send them to America. So which job is good? What is to be studied? You must have that aptitude. You must know. You must talk to different people. Who is the collector in your district?
Please repeat.
Manju Lakshmi. Manju Lakshmi.
Yeah. So what you should do is go to that collector's room once and find out how is the room. and ask her how much you studied, where did you study, how did you study. Ask different people and decide. Don't just talk to one scientist and decide, oh, I will become scientist. No. Don't talk to a doctor and then say, I want to become a doctor. Don't talk to patients and become a patient also in life. So you must gather a lot of information. What is the job? How are they living? What power they have? What position they have? All that is essential. Yeah.
Oh.
Now Karina has come into video. Sohan has come.
Hi, sir.
Saurabh,
Good evening.
good evening. I said no, sir. UPS. I am not your sir. You go to a booking clerk in a railway station, call him sir, because you want some favor.
Okay.
I don't. Do you know what is the first call type, sir? Sir Isaac Newton, Sir C.V. Raman. You heard that, right?
Those night-end people.
Yeah. So that they stopped. Otherwise, if I get sir, I will like to have it, sir Dr. TPS. But I have not become sir.
It's like the Bharat Ratna of Britain, isn't it?
Yeah, but they stopped. Now they don't give. So that is why people used to call them with respect. Otherwise, you don't like somebody, you can call, hey Shashikumar sir. That's like everybody on the road also you will call. So that respect of sir, either in the highest or in the lowest, both are gone today. You may have a lot of people who like to call. Otherwise, I will call Karina as madam. Tell me, should I tell like that?
No,
Yeah,
sir.
my name is Dr. TPS. You can call me Dr. TPS.
Okay,
Okay.
Dr. TPS, what kind of jobs
Dr.
are available?
Harina had some question. Sohan,
Okay.
let us come.
Yeah.
She is on my display. She is on top and you are down.
Yeah.
Yeah, Karina, come.
Dr. DPS, I like to know, is there any chance for a bio student to get there in ISRO?
Why do you want bio students? There are many other jobs. Why do you want to come to Department of Space? I'll tell you, no scientist in Department of Space want their children to be in Department of Space. Every police want their children to be police. Every collector want their children to be collector. Every doctor want their children to be doctors. I am telling you fact because I have done an HRD project on ISRO. I am a scientist in ISRO, retired. My wife is a director of an ISRO center. I have two sons. Both of them are not in ISRO. So don't think one department, because I represent department, don't think that. Do you think when you go to some Swamijis, they will give you Ashirvada to become collector? Do the Swami give Ashirvada to make you a Swami? Swamini?
No.
Eh? I recently asked one Swami, same question. Why people don't come to you to get an Ashirvada to become a Swami? That's not a simple job, right? Yes, Sohan is angry or what? He is making a lot of noise. You understood? So biology is a subject which you like. ISRO is not a place. You should go to CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology.
Okay.
Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. Other day, the yoga day, I was giving a lecture in Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology. Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology. That's in Thiruvananthapuram. The director of that center was a physics expert. Then he became chemistry expert. Then he became biology expert. Now he is the director of a biology center. My niece, who studied BDS, dentistry, then did an MTech in nanotechnology, then did PhD from Mumbai, IIT, nanotechnology PhD. Now in Cambridge doing postdoctorate. So don't look for, I am telling, if Karina becomes a good student, you keep on studying all the best subject in the world in the best way, your path will become entirely different and you will remember this day. Oh, I asked to become scientist. What is that? No, what a stupid question was that. So in biology, if your interest is biology, there are plenty of options. Not ISRO is not an option for you. Okay. 944-7437948. That's my number. DRTPS. Go and search on
So can you repeat
Google.
once again?
Dr. TPS, you don't forget, search on internet, you will get my number. And if you don't get, scold Google. Understood? That's a guarantee. DRTPS, Dr. TPS, 944. I just posted on chat box also. On the chat it is there. 944-7437948. And my trust is called Shiksha, SHIKSH, shiksha.in. You will see beautiful camp I conduct. Why I said this? Jnanam, Jnaanam, Jnanam. Jnanam is my house name. So what I do is, when, like you, a lot of children from different parts of the world will come and stay with me 10 days.
Oh,
We have rain for 3 hours, 4 hours. We drench ourselves. We go for climbing. We do a lot of social activities, drama, music. Many activities will be there. There are around 200 videos on YouTube. Only Jnanam program. There are people who attended my program 20 times. Each time it could be different because same teacher but students are different. So I change. You will see only dance in a program, only music in another program. Many guest people will come. My teachers will come. You will see science there. And why I said, I will tell you. The teacher who learned BSc biology, botany, he became a teacher in my school. My small village is called NADUVAL, Naduvil. That school belongs to my family. My grandfather was the first owner. Now I am also having one ownership there. We had a teacher. He used to teach physics and chemistry, but his BSc was biology. He is almost 72-year-old. Anandan Master. His name is Anandan Master. Don't miss seeing this. Anandan Master will make beautiful aircraft on thermocol. Exact looks like aircraft. And my house is ground floor, first floor, second floor. On top of that, he will keep the aircraft and then just give a push. It will come and land like this, like an aircraft is landing. That design is called aerofoil design. But what did he study? Biology. You understood? Full day he will spend with my students who come for camp. Lot of electronics, lot of mechanical engineering. You know, magnet and all, how do we teach? We have a Rama here, Sita here. When Rama comes, Sita will attract because South Pole and North Pole is put. When Ravana comes, Sita will turn face. These are all the way magnetics is taught. How magnet we learned is South Pole attracts North Pole, the ripple. But he will not tell like this. He will show something and then open that bomba and show you. Yeah, you see, this is North Pole, this is South Pole. That's why I'm able to do it. So all play. Beautiful learning. So you must look at some of my Jnanam camp. When you see some YouTube, comment there and put your name, Karina from Konkan. So I will remember. Yeah, that was the girl who commented. Understood? Yeah.
thank you, sir.
Soham,
I was asking what kind of job roles or what can I do if I study computer science in the future? I mean, I would like to go in IT industry, but I have more interest in doing creative stuff.
beta, anything which you do, when I cook, I don't make sambar. I make something, after that I will decide what name is to be given. That's also creative. Don't make idli, don't make dosha. Make a mix of it and make something. You decide what is to be called later. A creative person will make anything creative. Have you ever seen class like this?
In a face-to-face manner, yes, but not in an online manner.
That's what I'm saying. So what do? We have to make it creative. And you will not see. Yesterday or day before yesterday, I have taken a class with 4 students. I did not do like this. If I do the same, I get bored. So I have to change. According to the audience, I shift. Now tell me in computer science, which is the top most hottest topic in the world?
Right now, I think it's machine learning and data science
Repeat.
or AI. Machine learning, data science, or AI.
Machine learning, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, big data, design thinking. You will see all these lectures from me. Other day I was talking to teachers from an engineering college. Third day, that was 30th July, my talk was on design thinking. Go to design thinking, Dr. TPS. Artificial intelligence, Dr. TPS. You will see. I don't know, machine learning and Internet of Things may not be there. So what is Internet of Things? Now assume I want to make the computer on. From the computer I can make the TV on. I can ask questions, Google Home. Google Home can control many of my lightings. I want to change the color of my light. You can say, I want this color to be red now. Automatically bulb will become red. Have you seen that? They are Internet of Things.
Yeah.
I can make a palette and then what color I want, which I choose for my word, my drawing. Same way my color of my light also can be changed, because there is an RGB color and the mix of things happens inside the bulb, because that is controlled by different colors mixed together. Like on the terminal you can make a color, that light also can be changed, and I am doing it not inside my light, I am doing it from the computer. That is computer science. If you want to do
Actually,
what is,
sir,
I'll tell you, if you want what is in hottest in computers, go to edX, Coursera. These are two online most famous. There are many. Udemy, so many are there. Go there and look at the topmost topics in computer science. Start learning it free. They don't charge you at all. It's all free programs. Register for certificate programs. Listen to some beautiful lectures. Do some programs. If you like it, continue. Some universities, like best university in the world, will give you free certificates. Yeah, do some 6-7 different certificates and you know the taste of it. Another one, I will tell you what you have to look at. Dr. TPS, Indiana University. I went to America 2 years back to one of the best universities there, and I was seeing they have got a informatics department. Informatics department, there is beautiful corridor in which on the top there are some small feather sort of a thing which will make a sound based on the sound of the steps which you make. When you climb the steps, if you make too much noise, that will start making small noises like chirping of the birds. That is indicating you keep quiet. It's all automated. The whole world is automated there.
yeah.
And you will see, I am roaming around that, you will see the old computers and they're kept in the museum sort of a thing. I was using computers when 1989. And during that time we had a computer almost like a 2 fridge or 3 fridge, that 365 big fridge size was the memory.
I've seen the images of old times.
Yeah, VAX 11 by 780 was my, and those days from Pune we used to get a computer. You must look at that computer name and Google and find out. Param. That computer was called Param.
Yeah, Param.
Yeah, Param computer I
The first
purchased
supercomputer from India.
from CDAC. I purchased that for my office, and we used to call it as Parameshwar, just for doing puja, does nothing, don't do anything, keep quiet. It never worked. Mainly it never worked. So we only kept it as a symbol of India's first supercomputer we purchased. That came from Pune, your land. Yeah, somebody else. Ankit finished. Udayan. Anybody else? Are you happy, Sohan, what I said? So learn computer science from any BTech, but do it from an IIT and score very good. When you do it very good from IIT, Prime Minister's special program is there, you will get fellowship. You don't have to go for MTech. Masters is not required. Straight you can go to PhD. And go to PhD in the best universities. And then from there you can fly to different universities all over the globe. MIT is one of the best in the world. Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Yeah. The 6th sense, 7th sense. Who is that person? Tell me, who is that person from India who is in MIT, who has got nearly 90 scientists working under him? He has got his own lab. He is the man of the advanced intelligent computing. His TEDx lectures are there many. Tell me the name.
I think it was Sundar Pichai.
No,
Sundar Pichai is CEO of Google.
that's no, that is one, but no. You know, in India, who is the best IT man or maybe technology man who who introduced the card, swiping card, bank card, and all to India? Sam
I'm
Petroda.
sorry, sir. No.
Sam Petroda. Read all these stories. You have to give me WhatsApp. Who is that person whom I am referring? See, today we have a computer, mobile phone in which you can do this, right? You can do all these and then chicken. But instead of that, I can have only a camera where I will project it on my palm. And on my palm, I can put my numbers and dial the phone. And in my ear, the ring will come and I can speak without having a gadget. The gadget memory can be in my pocket. Camera can be here. Audio can be here. Everything is connected by internet. Small memories. Whose invention is this? Anybody? I am seeing how beautiful, how good, how intelligent are my children here. No problem. Some assignment so that I will know whether you are responding back to me, no? And if you don't get, I will give you. Yeah, somebody else.
Sir, with your permission, shall I ask a question as a teacher?
Yeah. No permission. You can straight away ask.
Yes, Dr. TPS. Sorry that I called you a sir. Dr. TPS, I'm Dr. Rajaram Parab, PhD in Aeronautical from Anna University. Sir, I've been teaching these students.
Anybody? I am seeing how beautiful, how good, how intelligent are my children here. No problem. Some assignment so that I will know whether you are responding back to me, no? And if you don't get, I will give you. Yeah, somebody else.
Sir, with your permission, shall I ask a question as a teacher?
Yeah. No permission. You can straight away ask.
Yes, Dr. TPS. Sorry that I called you a sir. Dr. TPS, I'm Dr. Rajaram Parab, PhD in Aeronautical from Anna University. Sir, I've been teaching these students.
University is a place where I used to come and teach in the maybe early 1990s.
Yeah, that was too early probably for me. I was not there. So,
I used
sir,
to teach image processing, photogrammetry and all.
was it in the Anna University Gindi campus or MIT, sir?
Gindi campus.
Gindi campus. Yeah.
Tell me.
So actually, I've been teaching these kids, subject of physics and mathematics because they are preparing for this entrance exam, joint entrance exam, to get into IIT. Actually, we are we have every year few students getting placed into IITs as well as in IIST since last 8 or 10 years. But sometimes I myself get confused because when we keep on going about a topic here and there, we keep on penetrating it because then we have to, all of a sudden I realize that okay, they are preparing for a competition, so they should be focused about the particular topic. And unfortunately, this is how the exam system runs in India. So they shouldn't be over reading about the particular topic, and instead of getting perfect in that particular topic, they should concentrate on progress. So how should be the approach of a teacher for these kind of entrance exams?
I will tell you, there are two sets of students. An average student can only prepare for exams. But an extraordinary brilliant children, see, when I am talking to children, those who are asking, I believe that they are slightly brilliant, slightly better, they want to learn, they have some interest. So that messages are for them. But if you know knowledge and you have sufficient knowledge, examination becomes only a casual thing. What is in examination people are testing? Not your knowledge. They are trying to find whether you have something not known to you. They wanted to catch you. So, who gets best mark? Not the most brilliant fellow. Getting marks in examination, assume that Sohan could predict all the 100 questions which are coming in your examination. Sohan will get 100. If I could only predict 90% in my examination, I will only study that 90%, or what I studied in that 90% only came, I will only get 90% mark. So getting marks in examination is not a big criteria. I will tell you, don't think that all IITians are the great. Just because you don't get an IIT, you get an NIT, you are a secondary student? No. I've got one student of mine, neither in IIT nor in NIT, normal college here. Now he is an aerospace scientist in Germany. Another student who asked, like Sohan, computer science. She studied in MIT. 3 crores was the fellowship given free. Whereas IIT student joined with paying 2 crores. IIT first rank also has to pay 1 crore or 2 crores. But a normal, because how do you mentor them? How good you make them perfect? Because there will be interview, there will be SOP, statement of purpose, how to write. You must be good in writing English. Otherwise, even if you are a BTech, you don't know how to write English. See, I'll tell you, when you wanted to join ISRO, I was asked a question. You know, in the normal children's magazine, there will be picture of a tree or a forest, and inside that there will be rabbits hiding. And that picture was shown to me and asked, how many rabbits are there inside? Hey, this is ISRO scientist selection interview. Can you imagine? That shows how logically you are good. You are able to find, when a picture is given, immediately you are able to get all the details. That is your logical brain. Getting admission in college, they cannot do it because they cannot interview 10,000 children. So they have to write an examination. How did I got it, though I was not from IIT? I'll tell you, there was somebody who got from IIT. For 14 years, from one step, he did not get promotion to the next step. 14 years. A record in ISRO probably. Otherwise, 3 years, 2 years, people get promotion. IIT, brilliant person from IIT Delhi. So don't think because you are an IITian, you are the best. Because you are not an IITian, you are not the best. Don't think that also. Yes, Indian IITs are good. IIST is good. I know many students who got into IIST, they 4th year, they become so desperate, they don't want to do anything. My nephew is a professor in IIST who invented the paper battery. You know why this cell is this thickness? This thickness because the battery is of that thickness.
Yes.
The slimmest mobile phone has the slimmest battery. Suppose you can make a battery of a visiting card size. Tomorrow your telephone will become that size only. So paper battery was invented by one of my nephew. It is not production now. Invention is done. Production will become later. How to implement it in whether you can have it for longer storage, all that has to be done. But the concept was proved. He is not from an IIT. He is from a normal college. He did not even do BTech. He was only a BSc, MSc. My son is a nuclear scientist in America. One of the best lab in the world for nuclear science is Oak Ridge Labs. He studied in the same college where I was a professor. After my retirement, he did not get into IIT, no NIT, not great colleges. So he wanted a job. I mean, BTech seat in some normal college. So I was talking to some of the principal whom I know. Because I was an ISRO scientist, somebody was a BHEL scientist. We have scientists who know each other as scientists because we attend main satsang together. We have meetings together. We do prayers together. We talk about Indian heritage together. So we are very close friends. So I asked, where are you working now? He said, I am in a college. He asked me, where are you working? I said, I left ISRO. I took a volunteer retirement. 20 years I served and then took my retirement because I love teaching like this. That's what I'm doing. Where are you? I said, I keep on roaming around India. I go to Northeast, I go to Delhi, When I used to be in Delhi, I go to Meerut. So other day, the principal of that school was calling. Oh, sir, after 10 years, I am meeting you now. On some webinar, he met me. Got it? So I keep traveling and giving lectures. So he asked me, sir, where are you doing? I said, I am roaming around like this, giving lectures. So why can't you come and teach? See, I wanted to get one seat for my son. He said, I will give you free seat if you come and become a teacher in my college. So I became a teacher there for 1 year. After 1 year, I left. My son completed from a normal third-rate engineering college. But for masters, he went to Imperial College London. My son studied social science. But after social science, he went to King's College London for masters. Do you know which are these colleges? Have you heard about Marie Curie, Madame Curie and all that? All of them studied in that college.
Scientists.
You go to a place to study where Nobel laureates, both in physics and chemistry, only one person in the world. That's a pair couple.
Yes.
They studied in a college. You go and study, that will be a great college. That doesn't mean you studied in the equivalent status college in India. No. So getting into IIT is just a trick. Yeah, you prepare them for an examination, you may get it. IAST, maths, biology, chemistry, physics. Some year biology is very simple. Some other year chemistry can be very simple. Some other year physics can be very simple. How do you know? Because the paper setting person will keep some change. Suppose you like biology and that year biology questions are very simple and you got it. Yes, there is a chance. So when you don't get a seat, don't get upset. But you get a seat in the best university, best college, best centers, national institutions has its own importance. ISER, IAST, maybe all the NICER is good. Maybe IITs are good. Then NITs are good. So there is an order. Assume that you look at, if somebody asks me for medical science, where should I go? I will tell you what to go to FMC. Armed Forces Medical College, when you become a doctor, you don't even have to pay. One of my nephew passed out from Armed Forces Medical College. He was an ENT specialist. Now he is a cancer specialist for the throat and tongue. One of the best leading surgeon. So sometimes you study in the best place, you get an advantage. I have got another students who passed from AIMS. When I went to America last time, almost this time, August first week, I was staying with them. They are in St. Louis, both the couple, husband and wife, both of them passed from All India Institute of Medical Sciences. They settled there. Even the doctors get, but they took 3-4 years to settle there. They have to pass that examination in America. If you become a doctor in India, you cannot go and practice there. They will ask you to write many exams. So passing exam, writing exam, getting into some institute, it's all, yeah, as a perfect academy, your job probably is to train them asking same question, same answer, which came 10 years back, keep them. That is okay for normal students. But brilliant students, I will tell you, when I used to write my master's examination, I never used to write what, even in mathematics, I don't write the same proof what is given by teachers. I will write my proof. Teachers don't understand. Your answer is correct, but I am not able to understand why you did like this. I said, I love to do like that. But this is not in the book. It is not in the book. This is my proof. That's fun sometimes, right? So you don't have to be, you have to categorize students. Brilliant students, yes. They will become good if they pass their own method. Other mediocre students, probably you need them to train. Do you think Sachin Tendulkar want some coach? They don't require, right?
Yes. Yes.
The best actor doesn't require a director to tell this is how you should act.
Yes.
Maybe the other actors require. So most of the time, what is being catered by the training center, coaching center, what are all you call the name, they are supposed to see. There are students who don't even know how to fill up the form. They need help. They need help.
There are few every year we are helping them out.
That is what I'm saying. So most of the students who are from villages, they are not exposed to different things. But don't become like the Cheat India movie, Amitabh Bachchan's movie. All of you should see that movie also. The Cheat India movie. That's one of the best movies for all the students who are writing competitive exams, especially IIT examination. Have you seen that?
No, sir, not yet, but definitely
That
we
is a
will.
beautiful movie.
We all.
Yeah, that's a beautiful movie. The Cheat India. I
So
think last year.
basically, we have to categorize students and concentrate according to their
Yes,
abilities of grasping.
yes, that is what is required.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable guidance. अजून कोणाचा प्रश्न आहे तर विचारा. Anyone else has a question? सरांना विचारा.
Arya want to come back or want to say thank you? You are muted, my dear Arya.
Sorry,
You are not-
sir. Sorry, Dr. Jupi. I want to ask a question. If you were not into ISRO as a scientist, what would you like to become?
I would have become, even today, if I get a chance, I will go into films or politics.
Okay.
Congress General Secretary and me were classmates. K.C. Venugopal and me were together. We were together almost like politics. Okay. I am into films. I love films. Amitabh Bachchan, you know, right?
Yes.
Amitabh Bachchan first visited Oman with me. I started film festival in Oman. Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjay Dutt, Rasul Pukutti, Major Ravi, Dr. TPS. So search Dr. TPS film. You will see a blog in which Al Jazeera TV is interviewing me. Amitabh Bachchan is sitting there. We had dinner together. We stayed in same hotel at least 3 days. I would have become a poet. I would have become a Malayalam teacher. I would have become a teacher. Basically, I love teaching. Okay, every doctor is a good teacher. The other day somebody was asking. What happens, Arya, when somebody wanted to discuss with me, they will send me a message. I have got a lot of 200 children say with me live all the time. Live in the sense, if I send them, assume Arya send me a message, immediately I will store it. I will see your interest. I am teaching Bhagavad Gita. From United Nations certification. So last August it started, August 1st, up to December, 22 classes. We have people from Israel also, from Brazil, from UK, from America, Germany, lot of people are there. So different country, they will all come, 1 hour they will spend and then learn Bhagavad Gita from me. When, like I conducted last year a camp where we were not able to physically do it, I did a camp called Moksha virtually. And virtual camp is done during that time. Students like you who are in Abu Dhabi, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, all of them joined. And we made a drama. One dialogue Arya will say from here, that Arya is going to meet the Dr. Karina. So Arya is in Abu Dhabi, Karina is in Dubai. The entry will be done, the next dialogue from the doctor will come. So we shooted a drama with 5 different locations and then put them together. This there in the YouTube, Dr. TPS Moksha. And you will see a beautiful drama. And that was a message because of Corona. And when they are at home, how did they change the life with my camp? That they made a story, I did not make. They all discussed. So I will do a lot of creative. I'm a poet, so I write a lot of poems. Right? So you look at, I'll tell you one of the poetry. This is my book.
Okay.
Civil Service Handbook. This is my book Life of Love. The first poetry is, millions of sperm from the father get into the mother's egg and only one sperm take birth, and that's me. How many sperm did not take birth? Millions. Who are they? My unborn brothers and sisters. So my birth was a race, and who is the winner? I am the winner, and you are the winner. So therefore, every day morning, what you are supposed to do, Sohan, lift your hand, all of you. Lift your hands and take it back and say, well done, well done.
Well done.
Your life is great. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is where when your science and logic works when you write poetry. Kalam died, no? Kalam died and I wrote a poetry. You know, when you write Kalam in the reverse, it becomes Malak. K-A-L-A-M, reverse will become Malak. Do you know the meaning of Malak in Arabic? That means jury. when you have got lot of ornaments, that is called malak. And in Hebrew, the Christian language, malak means angel. So what I wrote my poetry was, my malak to kalam, the malak. My ornamentation to kalam, who is the angel?
The
So you
Malak
need to
can
be
also
creative.
be Malak can also be referred in Marathi.
Is it?
Yeah, like Malak. It means their owner.
Yeah, that is Malik.
Yeah,
Hindi Malik. Yeah.
yeah.
So,
It was a
yeah, he was
Marathi
also a
company.
Malik. Kalam was also a Malik.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it? So when Kalam left 15 years back, Department of Space, he served only 15 to 18 years. After that, he went to Department of Defense. Have you seen that movie where our Pokhran test is being shown in a movie?
Yes.
Which is
Yeah.
that movie?
I think. I knew the name. Parmanu.
Paramount. Beautiful movie, no?
Yes.
See, you have seen I am referring lot of movies only. When I give lectures to all the principals of schools, I did one lecture in 2018 January in Chennai. Maybe there are 100 principals of CBSE schools, and all my lecture was only on movie. How movie can be used for teaching. Okay. So I am a creative person, so I like to, and I love agriculture.
And sir, it seems that you are interested in spirituality and mythology also.
Yeah, I am also into spirituality. I am a Himalayan tradition meditation master. I am from Swami Rama's disciple, Himalayan tradition. Good.
So I have.
Now at 6:45, I thought I should stop because 7:15 I have got another class, which I am doing a series of discussions on what India needs. What India needs. The first day it was a newspaper editor who I am interviewing, dialogue with Dr. TPS. It's hosted by me. Second day we had an IT head from Texas. He was my school teacher's son. Now he is heading IT department in Texas. What did he do in his childhood? He studied BSc physics. Then he became an editor in one of the Kerala newspaper in Malayalam. Then he became an editor in one of the English newspaper. From there he went to PTI, Press Trust of India. After Press Trust of India, he employed somebody who was an IT specialist under him, and that IT man went to America for an IT job. He also suggested, boss, don't work in India, come to America, I will give you a better job. And after getting a job, this man became the head of a state, IT head for that state, Texas. America, what do? Each state they will categorize it. Maharashtra is B grade in IT. Kerala is C grade in IT. Maybe Hyderabad is A grade in IT. So each state wise they will compete for becoming the best. That's why America, every state is competing. 50 states are there. All the states will compete. So Texas is little low now. So they have to put somebody who will lead all the private companies. They will collaborate each other to show that they can become most powerful states. And he is heading the team. And the team name is called the Tiger. So I was calling him a Tiger from Texas. You can see that interview. All of them I post. I edit all my videos. I do that editing, mixing. Now also I am recording audio here. Your screen I am grabbing. I've got another camera here where my face is being taken from the side. I will mix all of them and then put on YouTube. I am a multimedia man. So I do this, and maybe next 1 week I will post it this side. Okay. So you can see all that what India needs. And today I have got somebody from philosophy. Yes, my son also came. He was into politics. His research is political science. My son S. Harikrishna also did. He studied in Pune. Symbiosis first. He studied BSc Economics from Symbiosis. Then he did a development studies from Mumbai, Tata School of Social Science. Then he did another master's international political economy from King's College. And he did his PhD from Dublin. Now he is doing a postdoctorate in Dublin. And he is also editing a magazine called ALA, A-L-A. When you send it, all this I am telling you can take down and search, you will get.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
I am saying this to you, what you study, what you do, where do you get, you keep on searching. In one of my book, you can download all my books, it's all free. One of my book is called Life Made Simple. Where is the book? I don't think it's here. In that, what I did, the back cover page is flow like a river, grow like a tree. A river doesn't know where is it flowing. As per the slope it will go. So now Sohan will know to become an IT person, you need not have a computer BTech degree. He is only a BSc Physics. When I wanted to learn CAD package, you know what is CAD, right? Computer aided designing. When I wanted to learn that, in whole Hyderabad there was no place to learn. So I came to Bombay and stayed there 2 months to learn CAD package. I was a PhD in mathematics. The person who was teaching me was a BSc failed person. He failed in physics BSc. But then he became an expert in CAD package. So your skill matters. Your attitude matters. Your opportunity you have to create. That's more important. Don't follow somebody and say, oh, I will become like him. You can never become like him. You can only become like you. So more ability is required to understand what is that you want. That is what the tree does. When it falls, the next day morning it will look at the sun and then grow again. If you become too stable, I want only this strong in that, one wind is enough to break you. I'm a psychotherapist. I do counseling. Many people who are very strong sometimes falls. Be flexible. Don't say that I want to study in this institute. If I don't get, I am useless. Nothing like that. Okay. So if you don't get also, take it as a challenge. Failed, thrown from 8th class. I went to the same school where I was thrown out. And I gave all the A+ winners prizes. I was the chief guest. After giving all that, I said, I am a person who was thrown out from the school. The present management, present teachers, present principal doesn't know that this fellow was thrown out from the school when they called me. So it doesn't matter. Do well. Every day improve. Examinations, 30 points to students, 20 points to parents and teachers. That's a block. It's a beautiful block. 30 points to students, 20 points to parents and teachers. That's for you. For senior students, there is another block. For them, no parents. 20 points to students, 10 points to teachers. So, tata bye bye.
Yes, sir.
9
Yes, thank you so much, sir.
If you have some more questions, you are welcome, but I don't have time now.
Only,
Whenever you want.
it won't take more than 10 seconds, sir.
Subject. Let it be electronics, physics, chemistry, maths, biology. Yeah.
How to visit your place, Naduvel?
Now that is closed. I am staying in Hyderabad. I don't stay in Naduvil now. Otherwise, if you want to go there when I am not there also, you can go. There is only one lock. If nobody is there around, you can break it and get inside. Dr. TPS, you go to Google Map and then search. You will see my house.
Yes.
I've got one house in Naduvil, another house in Iringalakuda, which is close to Thrissur. There is a beautiful temple there, Kodal Manikyam. You know Rama, Sita's husband.
Yes.
And his brother was Bharata. There is only one Bharata temple in the world, and that is in Iringalakuda. And beautiful place. There also I had a camp. I did camp in America, Columbus. Last 2 years back, my camp was in America. 150 children, all Indian children in America. You can look at that camp also. Columbus Shiksha Camp. That was almost happening this time, June, July, August. That was the 3 months I did my camp. 3 different sections of camps. Another camp I did in Abu Dhabi. So I could also come to your Konkan and then conduct camp. I like to see
Definitely,
those.
sir. You are welcome. You are welcome.
Yes. I
Arrange
love to
Thank you
attend.
so much for your valuable time, sir.
We will all enjoy. But you must be
Yep.
ready to dance. You must be ready to drench yourself
Yes.
in water.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Konkan
sir.
is a beautiful place. I keep traveling, and Sridharan is my close friend. He's Sridharan and me. We used to do, when he teaches, I will be sitting beside him. When I teach, he will also be sitting for my class. We used to meet in a temple called the Uttara Guruvayurappan temple. That is where I wrote my poetry. In this poetry was written in that temple, and every weekend Sunday, E. Sridharan, who made Konkan Trail,
Yes.
and me will be on the same temple. We used to have breakfast together. Yeah.
Thank you
So
so much,
don't
sir.
hesitate. 9447437948. You want to study any subject which you don't like, any portion of the subject you don't understand, give me one day so that I can ask other children also will to join. So when you give me a topic, what I do is I send it to all my students. I am talking about this subject, you can join. So when all of them will join, I discuss how to read newspaper I teach, how to grab knowledge from books, how electronics have to be studied, biotechnology to be studied, many, many different topics. Yeah, solar system. Lectures will be without any paper. I'll speak like this. That's all. Other day I was teaching trigonometry. Somebody wanted to learn trigonometry. So you can see 2 of my lectures on trigonometry. Once I have done it, Nanam camp. But it will be a different style, not the way you or teachers will teach trigonometry. Because my teaching is entirely different. But you will have to listen word by word, letter by letter, draw that. You can see logical reasoning, analytical skill, mathematical ability, all of them I am teaching for KL University. Until last December, I was a professor of mathematics in one of the universities here, digitally.
Vijayawada.
No, here in Hyderabad, they have a campus. It doesn't
Yes,
matter.
yes.
Vijayawada and Hyderabad, both places, I taught almost all the teachers. How to use digital technology in teaching was one of my topic. I was a teacher for I was a director for academic staff college, teaching teachers in university grants commission. That was my job for 2 years. So I was officially part of teaching Indian teachers. So guess how many teachers I would have taught in my life? Almost 5 million students, almost that many number of teachers and students, and right.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time, and we are looking forward for your visit to Konkan. We are really excited to host you here with Sridharan, sir, of course, and we are inviting you here to Perfect Academy, and definitely we'll invite you again, sir, for these kind of programs where you can guide us. So people like you, we need people
You
like
could
you, gurus like
all
you.
join. You could all join in my discussions with. Yesterday, I was talking to IDM director, who is the day for yesterday. We had dialogue with Ravi Shankar. So every day we are calling different people
Sri
to know
Sri Ravi
what
Shankar.
India needs tomorrow. You send a WhatsApp message to me. I will send you the link. You could join there with me and listen. And only students from Delhi, Hyderabad, and such people are also talking one of these days what they think India wants.
Okay.
Right? So you could all be part of any of my activity. Thank you, Perfect Academy. Thank you, IDYM, for hosting me. Thank you, dear children. I love each one of you for be interactive. If you don't ask, if you don't show your face, yeah, it would have been horrible. So nice.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Over to
Thank you, sir.
IDYM. IDYM.
It's
Yes, sir.
Arya, everybody.
Thank you, sir. It was a very precious session that we had. Very memorable. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir. It was a
Enjoy.
really nice experience.
It was quite refreshing to meet you, sir. Thank you.
See you all sometime. At least digitally, anytime you want, you could connect me, and then we could get in contact, have dialogue.